Have you ever wondered about the invisible threats lurking in our water systems, impacting even the smallest creatures? It is a complex issue touching every corner of our planet. Microplastics primarily enter aquatic organisms through direct ingestion, as these tiny plastic particles are often mistaken for food or are incidentally consumed during feeding. The small size of microplastics, defined as plastic particles less than 5 millimeters, makes them easily ingestible by a wide range of aquatic life, from microscopic zooplankton to larger fish and even marine mammals. Their ubiquity in aquatic environments, arising from the breakdown of larger plastic debris and direct releases of microbeads, means organisms are constantly exposed. Many filter feeders, such as mussels and oysters, inadvertently consume microplastics while filtering water for nutrients. Furthermore, detritivores and deposit feeders, which consume organic matter from sediments, ingest microplastics that have settled to the bottom. Even predators can accumulate microplastics by consuming contaminated prey through a process known as trophic transfer. The irregular shapes and varying densities of microplastics also influence their availability in the water column and sediments, affecting which organisms encounter and consume them. Once ingested, these particles can cause physical damage, block digestive tracts, or reduce an organism's feeding capacity. They can also leach chemicals into the organism's tissues, potentially affecting growth, reproduction, and overall health. Understanding these entry points is crucial for assessing the ecological and physiological impacts on aquatic ecosystems. Researchers categorize microplastics into primary, like microbeads in cosmetics, and secondary, formed from the fragmentation of larger plastics. These include fragments, fibers, pellets, and films, each presenting unique challenges for ingestion and environmental persistence. For example, thin fibers from synthetic textiles are particularly problematic for filter feeders due to their morphology. Another key mechanism is pseudofeces production by filter feeders, where microplastics are bundled with organic matter and excreted, later becoming available to deposit feeders. Recognizing the diverse pathways through which microplastics infiltrate aquatic organisms, from accidental ingestion to trophic transfer, highlights the interconnectedness of water systems and the profound influence of human activities. By understanding these mechanisms, we can better appreciate the scope of the problem and inform efforts to mitigate microplastic pollution and protect our invaluable aquatic biodiversity.
If you love learning about water, like, subscribe, and keep exploring with us.